What's up, guys? Today we're diving into this before and after section, and honestly, it's one of the best ways to visually prove the results your product delivers, right on your homepage. It's the kind of section that turns skeptical visitors into confident buyers, because people trust what they can actually see with their own eyes. Let's jump straight in and get this added to your store. Start by heading over to your store admin, click on Apps, and search for Section Kit. Install the app, it only takes a moment, and the whole process is really beginner friendly. After the installation, go into the app and click on Explore Sections. Then type Before in the search bar. You'll see this exact section right at the top of the list. Click on More Info and purchase it. I've already purchased this section, so I'll go to my sections and select the one I want to add to my theme. Now click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and you'll see the section has been added successfully. Click on Open it in Customizer. The section has now been added to your theme. Just give it a few seconds to load while everything sets up in the background. Now click on Add Section, search for Before, and click on that section to add it directly into your page. Let's scroll down and customize this together, starting with the heading. Since I don't sell headphones, let's replace it with Subscribe. Now let's change the subheading to something like A Team with a Goal. And you can edit this however you like to match your store's identity and the message you want your customers to feel the moment they land here. You can edit literally everything in this section: the text size, the padding, the font style, the background color, the before and after images themselves, or anything else you want. And all of it takes just one click. And honestly, I don't want to bore you any further by clicking through every single option, because at this point, you already know how flexible this section really is. Just head over to the Shopify App Store, install the app, explore it yourself, play around with the settings, and thank me later. If you get stuck anywhere along the way, or if you want to see something specific about this app, drop a comment below and I'll make sure to help you out.